Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to unshare your calendars on Google Calendar. So the first thing that we need you to do now is to connect to your Gmail and connect to your or access to your Google Calendar web portal, and then follow these simple steps. And basically, let's suppose that we have shared, for example, this event, and we go to publish event, we share this link, we give it to everyone, and then we want to unshare it or prevent people from joining. All you need to do is to go to some settings. So if you go here in the settings of your meeting, you won't find something concerning the guests or the permissions. So basically, all you will need to do is to go to your shared or to your calendar, and then you will click on settings and sharing. And here you want just do not show invitation, and then as I said, you just here you click OK, and of course you are going to make your access permission for events. Just make it off, so the permission not everyone will be able to join, and by that all the people who are going to try to join the invitations or to join the events won't be able, even if you have shared and they go to the link, and now the link has been forbidden or the permission has got off to access the meeting. And now you have your meeting that's become shared on Google Calendar. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.